MetaQuest 3 virtual reality headset, including its expected release date, pricing and specifications. 1. Release date and pricing. The MetaQuest 3 is expected to be officially launched at MetaConnect later in the week. There is a rumor suggesting that the VR headset will be released on October 10th, approximately 2 weeks after its launch at MetaConnect. 2 models of the MetaQuest 3 are mentioned with their respective prices. 128 GB model, $499, 512 GB model, $649. The pricing for the base 128 GB model has been officially reduced in certain regions. In the European Union, EU, €549.99, down from €569.99. In the UK, £479.99, down from £499.99. 2. Specifications. CPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2, Gen 2, RAM, 8 GB, different from earlier spec leak which suggested 12 GB. Storage options, 128 GB, confirmed, 512 GB. Display, LCD with 2064x2208 pixels per eye. Full color pass-through, 4MP 18 pixels per degree, PPD. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Weight 509 grams. Battery life up to 3 hours. Backwards compatible, yes. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.03. Additional details. The MetaQuest 3 is equipped with an LCD display using pancake lenses for a 2K resolution. It is expected to be powered by a new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, which Meta claims will have twice the graphics performance compared to the XR2 Gen 1 that powered the MetaQuest 2. 4. Notable discrepancy. A Redditor suggests that the Quest 3 will have 8 GB of RAM, contrary to an earlier leak that hinted at 12 GB. This is considered disappointing as the MetaQuest Pro had 12 GB of RAM, setting a precedent for higher RAM capacity. 5. High fidelity pass-through. The article mentions a new feature called High Fidelity, Full Color Pass-Through powered by Meta Reality, providing specifications for this function, 4MP color video pass-through with 18 PPD resolution. It's noted that this PPD figure is specific to the video pass-through and may differ from the VR experience. The MetaQuest 3 is expected to bring notable upgrades in performance and features compared to its predecessor, with a potential release date of October 10th and 2 models priced at $499, 128 GB, and $649, 512 GB. There's a discrepancy in RAM compared to earlier leaks, and a new pass-through feature is introduced with detailed specifications. The headset is anticipated to provide an enhanced virtual reality experience with improved graphics performance.